pride I strike you down inside. I watch you die like synthetic light to the perfect dawn. I leap over the counterfeit and into new arms uniquely outstretched to me. Each rejection that's twisted my heart and angered and agitated my mind, I pluck them from me and release them to the wind. I forgive. May they turn to a gentle kiss and blow into those who never meant to hurt me. Wrap forgiveness around those with a hug of all things good. Let them experience the weight lifting from their shoulders at your attention and presence. Unyoke them. In the space made, let your love and tenderness minister to me and reflect through me. Papa, what scares me most in this moment is that I might lose sight of you and fall below the surface again. Never let me go out of earshot of you. Be my safe place. Draw others to you through me. Help me to be a conduit of your peace, wisdom, and meekness. I am guilty, but you've heard me and taken the judgments from my heart already. You've burnt the plague from my mind with your holy fire, and my King, I accept. I accept your friendship, your love, your blessings, your abundant joy, your wisdom, and the boldness to do your will. Castrate the fear from me, circumcise my heart, transform me into the perfect reflection of unity to you. With all my heart, soul, and spirit, I ask these things in your most perfect name. Thank you for hearing me. Always yours. Amen.